Well, hello guys. Today we'll be doing a little experiment. Can you actually paint your appliances? So here guys, see, this is kind of like that. So here you go. You get a scraper and you scrape till there's no rust left, and then you just oh god, holy shit, oh no, what I did. What do I do now? Oh god, I need a paper. This is just a demonstration how not to paint your appliances. I even painted my phone, but that doesn't matter. It matters that the machine will actually be painted. Now there are needing to be 2 layers. So this is the first layer, and we're gonna put another one till that is gonna dry. We're gonna remove front fascia and we're gonna paint this under too, and I don't think there's much rust, but let's just check. Yeah, I scraped it all. Last night, so there shouldn't be much of it. I painted the floor even. Hold on. Oh no, not the legs. The legs shouldn't be painted. Like literally, they should not be painted. I made a mistake, but yeah, let's paint this. If this dried, and yeah, that dried, I'll let it warm and then do another layer. Okay, I need some paper. Got some papers. I need to open the windows. Good. Another layer. And I will do another layer. But for now, and this is quite nice. getting quite nicely. We're getting very nice results at a very low price. So yeah. Here we go. This now a little bit dripping. Isn't it gonna drip? Or what? Well, that shouldn't be a problem. But yeah, the rust will be still visible, but it's not as bad as how it was. And still, this is a very old machine, so I'm not having very big expectations of it. Open the door, closing the door. I don't know why I opened it. Wiping down these marks. Hopefully, one last layer. So better than that, I can't get it better. Oh, I should let it be. I mean, let it dry way better and then paint again. I don't know. I'm very scared actually. I mean, yeah, this is the color. I can paint the Merloni too. I literally can. That will not be very visible. Like, but you need a very lot of layers. I mean, this is a fourth layer that I'm doing. And it's still kind of visible. I need to be very careful when I will be painting the Merloni. But this wasn't very rusty. It was just rusty. Not a lot rusty. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well, you can see the waves of the paint, which I opened all the 5 windows of my apartment, and they're doing a very good job. But once it dries, it will start to be bubbly. Oh, I don't know. What I should be doing. This Pico doesn't have very quality paint, but it is kind of a matte finish. It's not like a laminated finish. So yeah, I'll come with a part 2, but for now let's see if the machine has rust in here. And no, it doesn't. That's good. The Merloni had rust here because her seal at some point started to leak very badly. So I don't know what my mother did, but after 3 washes the machine didn't leak, but the water was getting here and then dripping. And I'm very professional. Yeah. Oh no. Did I paint it? The door seal? Is this even possible? Yeah, I should have been closing the door. But, yeah. Better than before. So when this dries, it becomes like the paint. But when this is wet, it is not possible to deal with it. Okay, so it is way better. I kind of like the machine, how it looks, how it got me surprised, this paint, that this could actually layer it up. And yeah, the machine now will look like brand new, kind of, because this is an old model and this is an old design of the Bicos. My hands are full of paint. Oh, and it's dripping there. So yeah, good that I put those down. Okay, what do I do now? What I do now? I don't know. I don't know. I will let it dry well and yeah, I don't know what to say. This painted quite well, so there's no rust points that are visible, but I didn't scrape all of this, so that should have been perfect, but that's not perfect. That's almost perfect, and I need to be very, 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 very careful with the joints. Oh my god. This is looking kind of better. Kind of better. Kind of worse. But it is doing the job. Kind of doing the job, kind of not. I don't know what to say. Better than this is it. This will be it. Not gonna do anything about it. Okay, we're having a scraper. Why don't I use it? Am I that dumb to not use a scraper instead of my hand? No, I'm not that dumb. That wasn't my dumbness. Yeah, so bye guys. This is a not very good situation.